Watch, watch, watch. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Hear me, man? Hey, at the world, it's not a plan. A franchise to choosing one. The 10-star general. Oh, no, it go already, you know. When we come out, we aim up, crank up, load up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing, them. Watch. You know a loud explosion. The most electrifying man in a YouTube entertainment business. I come outside and I be more than water. Watch. Hear me I say. Remember me that show you say, you know. Whenever I really blame the city of Trinidad, you know. Because we already know, you know. Say them shit there, you know. Come from up at the top, you know. So we know, say no police boy couldn't take it up on them head for running on the gargamel in a them lollipop man there. You see what I deal with? So it have to come from bigger authority. You see what I deal with? But I want to show you something, you know. When the boy them do that, you know. Remember, you know, the gargamel kick back in him hotel suite, you know. And when the man jump up, you know, and take it to, you know, social media, you know, and shell it, you know. And when my co-workers them on YouTube, you know, and the fucking journalists them on social media see what go on, you know. And then the man take it, and the man them take it to international YouTube, you know, which is the biggest blood clot social media, which is the biggest ras clot platform all over the world, you know. Respect. Which is the biggest and the loudest ras clot platform all over the world when it comes on to ras clot, any type of news at all, whether it want be good or bad. I tell you, say when the man them sound up the big thing them and shit go viral, I don't know who go whisper in the ras clot. The police commissioner is because him claim him that they are one wedding. I don't know who go whisper in him ears and make him know, yo, shit not so clear, shit not so put so right on the ras clot internet, you know. Him fly out of the wedding quick and fast and quick. And find Buju Banton. You see where I deal with in him hotel suite. And when him go find the general in him hotel suite and think him apologize and shit like that. But here I never feel it at the moment. I want to hear me good, you know. What if them boy they did go in a Buju Banton hotel suites, my brethren? And when them go in there, them go see the man them all a bun couple split and a vibes up themselves. You can imagine the type of calamity where I seen a Trinidad newspaper or even upon the news. So I never even feel that. You see what I deal with because lollipop thing that. You see what I deal with. But I see say everything happen for a reason. It come like it done, see say like the Almighty himself. I walk through Buju Banton because it come like it use Buju Banton as the cornerstone the way for patch up certain little shit between the region them because we have to still remember say we are one West Indies in a care when we want to talk say. Because when West Indies are going to play against no other country in the world, or the whole West Indies support the team. You see what I deal with? And a man from all over the region. So it don't go show we say we will come together as people, but here we go on. When me go see him come out back on the stage first night, you see what I deal with? And say what I say and I make Buju Banton know. You know what I mean? The respect between Trinidad and Jamaica supposed to be forever. You see what I deal with? Then my sister him not really deal with no lollipop thing because him come out on the stage in a Buju Banton electrified performance and make the hundreds, the thousands and the millions of watch all over the world. And him said that, so I say, yo, you hear what go on? My sister the Almighty use Buju Banton for strengthen up the love and the harmony between the region of people and in the whole entire Caribbean. And that is a phenomenal look to me. You see what I deal with? But here I go on now. The reason why you hear some people have it and I make you know say, well then it come like say some people from Trinidad them not really too dig Jamaican. I already tell you yesterday about the But the people them in a Trinidad, the Indian people them not dig nobody but themselves periodly. Them people that think them are the best people them in a Trinidad. I don't know, lollipop thing. But here we go on. The Trinidad girls them love Jamaica. You see what I deal with? And some of the Trinidad man them carry feelings just because that. Because you have to remember, you know, saying nobody can cuss out girl like Trinidad man. So when Trinidad man a cuss out them girl they cry. The man they cuss them out dog rotten and tell them about them mother stinking cunt and all them shit there. You see what I deal with? No Jamaica now go really to hold up too much back and forth tracing with no girl unless it's a mama lash with that. You see what I deal with? And then Jamaican man is a man when I to depend on girl for washing clothes and cook food and all them shit there. So them man they do them thing there and them type of girl they love them shit there because them not underneath the pressure. Them come home and food still left on the dinner on the table. And the next thing again, when it going sexually in the bed, you have to remember say Trinidad is a place, you know, where you know say you know calypso thing, say you know a fast whining and all them shit there. There's where I deal with. You know Jamaica is a one of a kind place. So when Trinidad man mount up a woman and him go jump up with him big, fast, quick self, you know. In no time him blow up, you know. Well, respect mommy, good. By the time him swinging at the final furlong, him blow up. You see what I deal with? You don't know Jamaican man a 16 furlong we go take her. You see what I go deal with? Yeah, and a lollipop thing. You see me? I want to introduce the wine, you see me? And mix it up, look with the strawberry, you see what I deal with? And then we are going to deal with, then we are going to cook, we are going to introduce the TikTok. Because them time they will find a weak spot. You see what I deal with? Yeah. Before we go for the kill rate. You see what I deal with? A living murderation. You see what I deal with? All the next door neighbor of nightmare. And them awesome performance there. The ladies them from Trinidad talk about why the man them have grudge power. And I really like them, not like we because them like with flavor, them like with style. You know the girl them love how we talk. You see what I deal with? And but don't tell you about the bedroom technology. Them always dead over it. So and them look at thing the why some look a man carry grievance, but I know not too big. Because if you ask me, the whole region of Caribbean carry the feelings there. Because our unique style, you know what I mean? And you don't know, say, we're born with the length and the strength. And it's not only that alone, we know how to use it. We're not a wild person when it comes on to them things there, you know what I mean? We deal with it like how we drive all our vehicle, because we have to change gear from 1 to 2, you see me? Them don't know that style, them just a jump and bully and no. And I say you deal with it, you know what I mean? You have to know if you step in a girl's sprocket and crack it. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And on a lollipop thing, you see what I deal with? You have to know if you ice her up like a kite and stab her with all of your might. When you're done, she give you ticky night. You see me? So I just them look rotation there, the Trinidad man them and the rest of the man them over the Caribbean need for find out. You see me? And then stop carry 8 pound weight for them thing there. You see what I deal with? So you have to know a born with it. You see what I deal with? The general, the 10-star one, I represent in a full effect. And I say that was a iconic movement for Buju Banton. And the police commissioner. Because when I say him take it to the stage and I never on a lollipop thing. I like it. Watch. 10-star way. Watch.